Hello, Namaste everyone. My name is Joseph Raju Betala, or Raju Betala. I would like to share my target individual testimony to everyone. Mostly likes me target individuals all over the globe. Actually, today I was recording this video, November 15th, 2025, evening 3 to 4 p.m. Okay, actually in Indian time. Okay. Actually, today morning I noticed and I recognized one secret about why I am being targeted individual. Who targeted me also I know already before that. Why I am being targeted also I recognized today. Actually, they did sequence my DNA, next generation sequencing. Okay, each and every target individual's life also as being like same likes me. At the same time, since in the 2000 there is some fight, small fight happening between me, between our brothers, between another community peoples. Actually, because of that is the main incident why I am being targeted. Because of there is conspiracy of someone caste, some particular caste people, some particular politician. Yes, of course. It was all behind the curtain. There is a conspiracy. There is a political conspiracy, and also casteism also. That is the secondary thing. Every secret will prevail, no compromise. Okay, in the name of Lord Jesus Christ. So I would like to tell you. Actually, they know each and every one of my family members' personal secrets, weaknesses since in the 2000. When I was being targeted individual since in the 2000. Okay, actually, if this government's Andhra Pradesh Police Department, if they did 16S mRNA next generation sequencing test to my family members, we are innocent. We will prove ourselves we are innocent people. We are targeted individual. I am a targeted individual. So, since my birth, if I had any genetic disorders, if I had any chronic disease also, they know everything about me, about my family members. But they played with me emotional mind game. Since in the 2000, they were added my name in International Terrorist Death Hit List under Act of FISA 1969. Okay, I would like to expose their techniques, tactics also to the public also, even include our target individual plus public also. Why? Because public also have to be awareness. Otherwise without public awareness we can't do nothing. We can't do nothing against. We can't do nothing. Okay, without public support. Okay, we can't do nothing. Okay, that is a thing what I recognize. Okay, past is so many years. Okay, so I shall have to expose about this technology also. So actually I was born after 14 years later my second sister in the year of 1985 August 28 morning 9 a.m. Wednesday. Okay, my mother and father is old age people. They were aged. Actually we lost our father last year May 29 2024 we lost our father. Same that exact day. In the year of 2014, we lost our grandfather. I mean, my mother's father. Same day. After 10 years, we lost my father. Same on that day. Is it coincidental? So many doubts also I had upon of these their tactics. Okay, I will prove everything. No compromise, no regret. So my parents were aged. After that, our school headmaster, he did fail in me in my 10th class. Actually, which purpose this World Economic Forum, their allied family all over the globe, which purpose they were created this technology, it does not matter to me. That is the secondary thing. But our Indian governments also, politicians also, Indian military, Indian police officers also misusing these technologies, their software, illegally upon innocent citizens. That's what I would like to expose to the public about this technology, their caste-based political terrorism, and also politics. It is called not a forgivable sin. It is a institutional, organized, caste-based political correlation terrorism. In my issue, others different. Every targeted individual had unique testimony. Everybody fighting themselves very hardly. 24/7 each and every second. I was also fighting very hardly. Yes, it is a challenge to me. Each and every second. It is a very challenging to me. for surviving. Yes, actually, but sirs and madams and my dear citizens, my dear citizens of India and all over the globe, all over citizens, I include our target individuals also. Actually, I don't have HIV in my body, but they divided my two wives from me. They're putting upon my stamp as a gay, but I'm not important gay. That is secondary thing. My second wife also putting in prison as a gay. Actually, I stayed in a prison in the 2013 up to 1 month as a remand prisoner in a Ongole district prison, Prakasam district, Andhra Pradesh state. I am from Guntur district person, Andhra Pradesh state, South India. Okay, my town name is Pannur, Ambedkar Nagar. So I lost everything. They taken away from me everything. My willpower, my dreams, my education. First they robbed my education life. Then after they taken away my friends, my relatives. What is my desires? What are my dreams? Everything they removed from me. They taken away. Included they taken away my free will to their supersonic quantum computer. They were added my name in international terrorist death hit list in the 2000. Since in the 2000, I am being as a target individual. Since in the 2000 up to 2020, I am being as a passive victim. Okay, so they locked all of our family members' brains under their hands. They played with all of our family members like a puppet show. So this time they awakened our brains. They set up pre-planned all of my neighbor people, all are blank to that specific terrorist party. At the same time, this police department, how they cheating the public, sir? My dear citizens, if we target somebody else, we will use generally mass mind control. We will use generally the same that community harassment. This is called community harassment. This is not a religion. This is not a political way. This is not a casteism way. They are cheating the public. See, sir. Of course, they had all powers in their hands. Money empowerment, public empowerment, legislative power, judicial power, law and order department, public empowerment, media support, print media, electronic media, national media, national central government also. Power of our Andhra Pradesh state, chief minister, who is the running Andhra Pradesh state government right now. That person is the main accused in my issue. It is absolutely without any political conspiracy. So that's why I had death threat from all of them. If I did tomorrow evening today, if I may not post, if I am not able to post any kind of audios videos also, you can suspect me. You people can expose about me. Please, my dear target individuals, friends all over the globe, brothers and sisters. Okay, please. My number is 9163063042744454. Okay, this is also my WhatsApp number also. Anybody would like to contact me, you can contact me. No compromise, no problem. So they target me since in the 2000. Since then they locked me. They are using different types of tactics, methods. They have taken my blood sample. They know my DNA. They decoded my DNA unique resonance frequency electrobiotic with using PRAMA sensor. Then after they decode my DNA. Then after they sequence my DNA. Which means they did my DNA methylation. They modified my epigenetics. Which means they reassembled my DNA. Which means they reprogrammed my brain. Since then they starting to doing my brain mapping. Which means they restoring memories in my brain. Which means they removed my free will to their supersonic quantum computer. Since the 2000 up to 2020, I am being as a past victim. This is called traumatized mind control technology, trauma based. They are putting me in trance. This is called transhumanism. These are all crimes called as a neurocrimes. This crime is a unhumanity. It is called human censoring, illegal persecution, unconstitutional execution. It is a neurosensor nanotechnology. So that's why our Indian government shall have to bring up new fundamental human neuro rights act. Our Honorable Indian Prime Minister, our Honorable Indian Supreme Court Chief Justice, our Honorable Indian Madam President, or Honorable Andhra Pradesh State AP Governor, or Honorable Andhra Pradesh State AP High Court Chief Justice, or Honorable AP DGP Garu, if you are a genuine, daring and dashing, dynamic, gutsful people, you must have to bring up new fundamental human neuro rights act for each and every citizen of India. Otherwise nobody cannot live their lives with freedom, with privacy, with liberty. Next generations can't live their lives with liberty, privacy, self-respect also. Please try to shut down these signals. I am a deceased person. I am not accused. I am not suspected. I am a victim. Let me alone. Let me prove. AP Police Department was not at least hearing my words also. They are not take care about this issue. I exposed about this technology through all social media like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Mojap, Shoshap, Mojap, Joshap, Twitter, Instagram, ShareChat, or Andhra Pradesh state, Telangana, 2 states of Telugu speaking people also had so much awareness about this technology. So our Indian government, our Indian government can't do nothing against the people and constitution also. So they must have to take this as motto. They must have to bring me before magistrate. Otherwise caste system is spread in Andhra Pradesh. Why? Because we are scheduled caste people. Our subcaste name is Mala. So we preach. We believe in Lord Jesus Christ. We are Christians. It does not matter to them also, but it is a matter. It is a matter. Why? Why? Because only the reason they started this shit. Only the reason because of their casteism. Because of their casteism only they started this shit. Yes. So that's why they are trying to obviously anyhow they are trying to eliminate me from this earth. Please mind this very importantly. Next. So they're sending into my body intravivo area network chips. Actually, those chips had capability connected with multiple network, which means they are controlling me through cloud computing, cloud internet. My body is like a monitor to them. My eyes are like cameras to them. My head is like an antenna to them. There is a different portions in brain. There is a prefrontal cortex. There is a hippocampus. There is a hippocampus. There is thalamus, hypothalamus. There is a amygdala. There is a motor cortex, auditory cortex, visual cortex, pineal gland, prefrontal lobes. Different portions in every human brain. Actually, they are stored in my brain false memories from so many years. Actually, they were created for me twin digital brain. They created for me twin digital computerized avatar. How can we do money transactions through mobile, money transactions, digital money transaction like that way? They are controlling me. They are controlling me. They are sending into my skull. They are sharing my brain digital data to their supersonic quantum computer. They are injecting into my skull. What they were stored in my twin digital brain, that 1,000+ mind control neural links with PDF text files encryptedly, they stored in my twin digital brain. They did literally empty my brain. There is nothing in my mind. This testimony is not only of me. Every target individuals all over the globe also same testimony, same harassment, same situations, same incident, daily common things, daily doable things, daily knowable things. With using daily routine things, they are harassing us. They will harassing us. They will do same harassment to us. Please try to understand us. We are not crazy. We are target individuals. Even our vocal cord is also under their control. Please try to understand us. So they created from a twin digital avatar. They did little empty my brain. My mind is a high mind. Wherever I am, this high mind will connect with crowd by sight, by smell, by taste, by sound, by touch. With these 5 senses, they can control me. They can recreate my memory. They can regenerate my memory through auditory hallucination, visual perception. Visible. How can this possible? They were taking my brain 2D digital brain. They are using fMRI signals, functional magnet resonance imaging technology. They literally forcefully transmitting into my brain neural images, voice messages. These things can visible. Public can hear my thoughts. My thoughts can audible. Which means that they are bypassing my ears, they are bypassing my eyes, they are bypassing my brain. These are all the crimes. So, through Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, Indian Penal Code, so IPC 74, through Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, Section 72, it's a crime to decoding human thoughts. Section 74 IPC, Section 74 Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, for broadcasting human thoughts, it's a crime. IPC 354/D, it's a crime. Gangstering is a crime. It's not a forgettable crimes. It's a terrorism. It is systematically, it is institutional political terrorism. Institutional terrorism it was there. Okay, so you must have to stop this. Please share it to each and every human being, all over the globe also. You don't need to take my concern also. So, this kind of technologies, destroying the human lives. Okay, sirs and madams. So then after they forcefully subliminally sending my message to my skull. Okay, auditory hallucination, visual perception. They are connecting my body with electro-biomagnetic waves. Because of the electro-micro-vibrometry effects, because of that electro-micro-vibrometry images, I can feel, I can sense that sensation vibrations. Actually, every person can sleep on bed. Every person can sit in chair. When I sit in chair, when I sleep in bed also, I saw women all gall 2D hallucination. Just fraction of seconds. That gall or woman hallucination gone. Before that, up to that, I felt in so deep sleep stage. When I awaked, I suspectedly, I confusedly watching them. So there is nobody, no girl, no woman. But before that, I did something sexual things with them. This kind of hallucinations, 2D hallucinations I was facing. Gang stalking. Most of our Indian country has the highest population in the world. So most of the gang stalking with their abusing words, with their humiliating words, with their cursing words, with their cunning words, with their threatening words, with their trapping words, with their persecution, with their provoking. Because of them, I can't think like a normal human. First of all, I can't behave like a normal human. I can't think like a normal human. I can't behave like a normal human. That's not my fault. They forcefully makes me crazy without fraction of seconds, without my knowledge, without my free will. They forcefully makes me communicate with these attackers. These are all only working for one specific Telugu party, political party, regional political party in South India, Andhra Pradesh state. It is not a political conspiracy. Of course it was. They want my dead body to forward their community casteism, with dividing the humans, with dividing the people by caste, by religion. Because they want to getting the power. They want to getting into power. Actually, when I'm being targeted since in the 2000. In the time I am studying in 10th class. I was 50 years old boy, teenage boy. I don't have any criminal background. Nobody never filed a complaint against upon me. If I really criminal, I use the same number up to 2015 also. What is my number? My previous number 9160060667. That is fancy number. Everybody can easily recognize my old number. So of course, if anybody will file a complaint against upon me, of course, if anybody makes me suspected, of course, if anybody will tell any kind of allegations about me to any police cop to me, is it impossible to catch me through my number? They can easily catch me with using string-ray weapons or GPS location tracking devices. They can catch me within 1 hour, just within 1 hour or half day. If I were at surrounding of them, minimum 100 kilometers below, they can catch me easily. So, am I criminal? Am I Naxalite? Am I anti-social element? No. Next, in the year of 2022, still even today, this is 2025 year, I was using same number 6304274454. Okay, is it impossible? If I was really criminal, is it impossible? If anybody will catch me, if anybody can nobody can catch me, anybody can easily catch me. So am I victim or accused? Anybody can understand easily. Anybody can easily understand. Actually, they are blackmailing us, right? If you told about anything else, if you told about anything about us to the public, we'll make all of our family members like a beggars. We'll remove your sister's children future. We'll make all of your family members like a beggars. We'll cut our head. We'll cut our legs. We'll cut our penis. We are going to encounter you. They are going to cut our tongue. They are going to remove your eyes. They are going to lock your hands and legs. They will definitely leave sniffer dogs upon you. Those sniffer dogs will bite your man balls, your penis. What kind of psychopath harassment it was? They will lock you with your hands and they will lock up with handcuffs with your legs and hands. They will put you into cage. They will leave dogs or rats. They will brutally kills you. You will kill brutally. You will die brutally. What kind of threatening it was? 24/7. Are they crazy? What are they thinking themselves? They are not rulers. They are not kings. So I am not their servant. This is not their kingdom. We are living in secular, socialist, democratic republic nation India. Please forward my testimony, target testimony video to all over the globe, my dear friends. In India, racism is so high, casteism is so high. I am a Dalit. They are treating us till even today also. We got freedom in India past 78 years before. Till in India, we are fighting only getting our rights. This is our Indian Dalit situation in India. But these people are circulating about us. They are third grade people. They are low class people. They are untouchables. They are third grade people. They will only praise the Lord Jesus Christ. They will speak without fear about this kind of crimes. They will face anybody else. They don't care about government higher officials also. They are third grade people, low class people. They are insulting us. They are third grade people. Are we third grade people? Are we third grade people? Dalits and Christians, scheduled caste people. Huh? What's wrong with us? What we did? Or we don't have any able to getting justice through the law? Even we are victims also in India. Huh? Listen to your heart. Listen to your heart. Our problems. Listen to with your heart. Our problems. If you care about my caste religion, you can't give justice to all equally. Honorable government officials in India, please take the issue as sumoto. Please bring me before magistrate. So they are using brain computer interface, remotely and neural monitoring, organized gang stalking. With the brain computer interface, remotely and neural monitoring, public can see that. Public can see that audio releases visual perception. 24% they are showing these illusions. They are using different types of narcotic drugs, pesticide chemicals. They are using strontium, ethylene gas, utility fog, smart dust, ionized radiation. They are using gaslighting psychology for putting me doubt upon me. At that time, they are using ionized radiation. They are using LSD, lysergic acid, diethylamide, psychedelics, mind control drug, or Delside. They are using graphene dioxide, mixing each and every edible foods. Past 25 years, they made me as a false criminal. Okay, they were taking each and one of my friends, my relatives, my neighbor peoples in at my workplace. Whom I really trusted them. They are taking each and one of their support for putting me in this situation. They're putting us so much poverty. They make us isolation. They're putting us so much poverty. They're putting us isolation. My surroundings people all are treating us like a dogs, street dogs. This selfish society, thinking themselves they are the holy priests. They are like a holy priest. They are the good people. They never sin with anybody else. They never cheat on anybody else. They never kiss anybody else. They never say lie with anybody else. They are thinking themselves about like that way. If you use this technology upon any human being, if they had human DNA, we can also control them. My brain, my body, my soul is under their control since 2000. Right now I was fighting 24/7, each and every second. I can't put my concentrate upon anything else. I can't maintain my concentrate upon something else more than 30 seconds. Concentrate difficulties. And we lost so many lakhs of money for curing ourselves. I don't have HIV virus in my body also. I posted my blood test report through all social media also. What kind of double mind game it was? Does they had any guts? They must have to come before the law. I will tell who targeted me. Their names also: Nara Chandrababu, Dullupal Narendra, Mopati Venkatamana. Those are they are politicians. Our Andhra Pradesh local police department fully supported them. They are politicians. They are rich people. I am a poor fellow. I am an innocent guy. Right now I am a homeless, workless, moneyless, hopeless also. Even they are raising my own family also. I and my old age mother were taking shelter in my elder sister house. They are insulting her. They are insulting me. Right? Hey, you get out from our house. Where I have to still live? Where I have to go? Where I have to go? Huh? Where do I? What can I do? Huh? They made me systematically, organizedly. They putting me in this situation, sir. They are using brain computer interface, remotely neural monitoring, organized gang stalking, voice to skull technology, synthetic telepathy, 24/7 average service watching. Even every time, how many times if I go to the bathroom lavatory, my surroundings people, girls and women, they are insulting about my penis. They are insulting. If I go to the shit, they show my mother's nude body 4 times through my own eyes. It is not insultation. It is not a inhumanity. It is not a human sensitivity. It is not atrocity. You must have to file all the sections upon all of them. IPC through Indian Penal Codes. IPC 306, IPC 405, IPC 406, IPC 406, IPC 153, IPC 120, IPC 499, IPC 174, IPC 354/D, IPC 113, IPC 209, IPC 328, 348. They must have to punish by the law. At the same time, of course, if any public servant will may try to protect this kind of people, of course, if any public servant will may try to protect this kind of people from the law, they will definitely goes behind the bars another 2 years under IPC 270 to 18. Just law will tells that this. At the same time, of course, if any public servant will may identify this kind of organized cash-based political cruel interest terrorism, I mean systematically institutional terrorism, they will definitely goes behind the bars another 2 years under IPC 220. Of course, if any public servant will may show that negligence, recklessness will makes any difference between poor, between rich, for giving injustice to the poor people. If they get bribes from them, upper caste people, they will also definitely goes behind the bars. Another 2 years under IPC 166 obligate. What I did, even I don't have any criminal background. Nobody never filed a complaint against upon me. Just I had one case upon me. Well, that is also my second wife file a complaint against upon me. Dowry harassment case 360 498. That is a family case. That is not a criminal case. Already that case also closed. Their Kama committee lawyer, their Kama committee ladies, they were taken my signatures upon 100 rupees empty bond papers in the 2014. What they were written upon empty bond papers, you may have to prevail the truth. Then after you can dictate to Chandrababu Naidu conspiracy, Telugu Party conspiracy. Then after Chandrababu Naidu, when he was coming into the power in the year of 2014 again, he creates his Telugu Party official membership cards for me, for my mother, for my father. He wants my dead body in the year of 2020. He's cunning politics. He's cunning politics. If he is not in power, he want to use my dead body. So right now they are using my own phone numbers for speaking false evidence against upon me. If my own phone numbers will speak false evidence against upon me also, I can't do nothing. They blackmailing all of them. This is the private situation. Okay. At the same time, 1989 Prevention Atrocity Act. Through 1985 Narcotic Substance Act, 1967 Unlawful Activities Act, they can't get even bail also, as per Indian penal codes, Indian laws. So, what actually our Andhra Pradesh State Police Department, what actually our Indian intelligence departments, what actually Indian CBI, NIA, military were doing, they must have to prevail all these truths. If I can't prove my faithfulness before magistrate, you may have to give order to shoot at me like street dog. If I may prove my faithfulness, you must have to punish them. That is called also equal justice. Otherwise, AP High Court Chief Justice, AP Governor, AP DGP, Indian Supreme Court Chief Justice, Indian President, you must have to confess yourselves. Yes, we sold out our position pass for their cut money. That's why you can't tell Dalits and Christians for getting justice through the law in India. That is better to all of you. For which reason? There are High Courts, Supreme Courts, Governors, President in Andhra Pradesh State and India. Which purpose? If our Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi Garu, if he is a genuine, daring and dashing, dynamic, gutsful person, he must have to brought up new fundamental human rights act for each and every citizen of India. Otherwise, he is not a good person. He is a manipulator. Our Andhra Pradesh State Chief Minister Chandrababu is a manipulator. He is manipulating. He can manipulate anybody else. This time, Chandrababu Naidu, Narendra Modi, they can't even hearing my problems also. That's all. If I go to the police station, they are treating me like crazy. They're not taking my cases also. They're not available. I already try in the year of 2020. Once I go to the SP office, is actually in his office one female staff she does not allow me to meet with SP. Otherwise, when my father died, after that I go to our Punnur town local police station CI. He invited me, but he is not available that day. Police are skipping themselves from this mind game. They are escaping. That is, so I thought this is useless thing. They can't take my complaint also. I understand. So I don't need to go to them. Okay. Actually, they made me as a false criminal. It is a foolish thing. Through courts, through governments, nothing will happen. Public have to be much awareness about this technology. With public awareness only we can do something, anything. Like a Bangladesh, like a Nepal country, Bangladesh country, Generation Z revolution. How much public revolution will raise against this false and corrupted governments. Like that way, another Generation Z revolution in our India also we will see upcoming days. Wait for the day. Jai Bhim, Johar Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. That's why these people are trying to eliminate me from this earth. I had death threat from these politicians, from these AP Police Department people, and those who are tortured me since my childhood. Mentally, psychologically, physically, emotionally, socially, totally they collapsed me. Simply, I would like to tell about this technology. They perished me. With using this technology, they perished me. We can't separate that perished thing. Yes, I was born with the grace of God Lord Jesus Christ. Yes, I took baptism in the baptized. I was baptized since I left 2000. Actually, so my God grace is with me. Which purpose those elite families who are created this technology does not matter to me. But my God already saved me. Okay, I would like, my intention is Indian government shall have to bring up new fundamental human rights to fundamental neuro rights for each and every citizen of India. Every Indian should have to live their lives with freely. That is my pure intention. There is no second thought in my brain. Okay. If I can't post any videos, audios, please expose about my details to all of your social media platforms, my dear target individuals, brothers and sisters all over India. Okay, so many wonderful things are happening in India also, all over the globe also. You can understand whatever I'm telling. So this revelation will hurting the egoist people in our India. This is the only reason why I can't getting justice till India, till even today also. Because of my caste, because of I'm a poor fellow, because of my poverty, because of my caste, because of my religion, because I'm speaking the truth. So that's why I got lot of enemies in my life. so I don't care how many languages we are living. It does not matter how much genuinely how we live in this world. Okay, it is the only matter. Okay, behave like a human being, treat all of us like human beings. That's what I would like to tell all of you. So many things I would like to tell, but it will take up to 3 to 5 hours. I will explain about everything this technology. Please let me allow. Let me prove. They feeding they seeding in my brain false thoughts, false memories. They raising them. They framing as a false signals. Our local pastors will enough for making a oath upon Holy Bible in the name of Lord Jesus Christ. They will speak the truth. Since when they create for me that body study, since then my body, my brain, my soul is under their control. They must when they did sequence my DNA genome. Since then they know if I had any chronic disease, any deathful disease since my birth also they know everything they know. So with conscious mindsets, with conspiracy, with cruel intentionally, they did illegal human biological experimentation upon me. So they must punish by the law. So that's why they are trying to eliminate me. If anything will happens to me, they are the criminals. Jai Bhim, Johar Dr. Ambedkar. Our Indian Constitution, Baba Saheb Ambedkar Sahab, our leader, he gave us these fundamental human rights through Constitution. Jai Bhim, Johar Dr. Ambedkar. I had right to getting justice through the law. Namaste everyone. Thank you one and all.